I acknowledge the presence of Honorable Minister of Sports from Vanuatu, respective delegates, respective officials, members of the media, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula vinaka and a very good morning to you all. Honorable Minister, delegates, ladies and gentlemen, it falls me as a very pleasant task to aid the earlier welcomes and acknowledgement you have had to the MSG Sports Ministers meeting. Ladies and gentlemen, the pleasant task falls for me this morning is to welcome you all as we have come to the day 2 of the second MSG Sports Ministers meeting. I hope you had a good night's rest and are ready to engage in the deliberation in this meeting. And I also trust that it will be in the open and the robust manner in the true tradition of the Pacific way. We will continue to deliberate and discuss ways forward in our common sporting aims and aspirations. It is important that we realize the increasing importance of sports in our regional agenda. Sports have traditionally brought the people of Pacific together. We have a common tradition of passion and competition, often well beyond what is expected of us from these small islands when it comes to sports. Sports are becoming an economic powerhouse and have a great impact on our daily lives. Many of our families depend on remittance and investment from their sporting stars. And this is an area for growth in the professional arena. Pacific Islanders and Maoris make up more than 46% of the total playing staff in the Australian NRL, and it will grow beyond the 50% mark in the next few seasons. I know these figures and facts on sports are among the many that will set the basis for the 2-day agenda that has been set for us. This important meeting provides us an opportunity as leaders to highlight areas in sports that need attention in our individual countries. Let me remind all of us that we will be making presentation during the 10th Commonwealth Sports Ministers meeting in UK, and the Pacific shall be represented in unison while delivering the presentation. And these deliberations provides us with a sound platform to make sure our voice are heard and our needs met. Thus, it becomes imperative that we share our concerns, best practice, and learning experience that can assist one another to propel sports in our countries. We in the Pacific know best and are best placed to represent ourselves in these important international meetings. We must show to the world that Pacific Island countries are sport-loving people and are being led by able leaders who can promote and grow our national and regional sporting capacity and capabilities. I wish us all the healthy and constructive discussions as we move on with deliberations and consensus building. Thank you, and Vinaka.